Have you seen my heat gun?
Ask your mom.
Ask
I have
my
no
mom.
clue. You don't let me use the nice one. You give me the off-brand one inside.
I wonder where all the tips are. You know, as a guy that sort of likes to organize.
It's almost like you should have your tools a little more organized.
You mean have that? 10-spot tools.
It's pretty fancy.
Ding, ding, ding. Guess what? See this banner? I'm going to try this
I had
out.
to lift it up.
It's going to say,
Can it do it in a
giveaway.
rainbow?
What?
Giveaway.
Giveaway. All right, we're not giving this one away. But this is a 10-spot tools video. I got this from 10-spot. You guys don't know? 10-spot tools, right? He sells stuff. So do we. We don't believe in competition. We believe in
community.
Community. And he sent us this, and we sell it for him. Crazy, right? You guys go to shop.jakeofall.com. You're not finding something that we have. Someone else might have it. And we try to partner with people that make great stuff. And Pete over at 10-spot makes some great stuff. And he's doing an awesome giveaway, so please stick around to the end, and we'll tell you more about it. But for now, let's talk about this. So this is a 3D printed drawer insert for the PACKOUT drawers.
There's a lot of stuff in that drawer, homie.
Why don't we get it emptied real quick?
Sounds great.
All right, I'm done. Let's come in closer and I'll show you what I did.
Right.
Okay, so this insert from 10-spot tools, this is the left side, and this is the 3-drawer PACKOUT. Now this, as long as your rib is in the same place, which, you know, you would think I would have another drawer here. I can tell you that the big 2 drawers,
The rib's in a different spot.
looks like it says it on the ad. We're gonna write CYA, cover your ass, or see the manual, senior manual, right? Okay, so we have the insert, which you can see he did a 2-tone, and then he's got a place here. I have my Velcro on it. I'm sorry, but then he has a place for a battery. Now, it is not going to fit, as you can see, a massive like 8 amp hour battery, but it will fit.
One of those warehouses of 5s?
One of the, thank you, because I was literally grabbing the warehouse of 5 amp hour. And there you go. So you have a place for a battery, but then there's also standoffs, which this is not the stock Milwaukee heat shields. I got these off of Amazon. So there's a couple extra. So you can see here I have a couple of these different cones, which I really could just stack those. And then these are great for doing wire wrapping. The little around the corner.
Are you really gonna make me come all the way out here to get the heat gun, or does this?
If you want the Milwaukee one, this one's the Milwaukee. This one stays in the garage. This is the Milwaukee one.
This stays in the garage.
All right. And then what I'm gonna do is I probably won't do the stapler. I'll probably do the M12 soldering iron next to it. I got the soldering, but I want to go back to the workbench because I promised you a giveaway, and I'm gonna give that. So let's go back to the bench. Tell me you work at a bar without telling me you work at a bar. Okay, we're back. Giveaway time. Thanks for sticking around. I really appreciate it. Pete makes great stuff. We love him. That's why we partner with him. We don't believe in fighting, right?
Hey.
Hey, funny question.
There's
If
more than enough for everybody.
Pete and us buy filament that is made in China, then should we put stickers on our product that say made in America with global materials? If you want to know where that one's from, watch last Friday's video. I'll put a link. But what I really want you to do is it's going to be the typical, Jen's going to create a form. You're going to go into the comments and you're going to say what you'd like to do with this thing that you're going to win. What are you going to win? Okay, so I'm going to bam, bam.
Oh, are we playing with effects this week?
Right, I put things up here.
We're up here. Okay,
Up
I'm ready
here.
now.
Okay, so the corners have the tools. That's right, you're going to win a PACKOUT. That's not it. There's more. You're going to win mid-torque impact. Yes, you're going to win like a multi-$100 M18, Milwaukee tool, mid-torque impact, and custom 3D printed latches. Let's look at the pictures.
Whee!
Okay, custom 3D printed insert, and a set of deep, heavy-duty impact-rated sockets. That's right. Thank you, Pete. Thank you, 10spot, for sponsoring this video. We worked with 10spot forever. We had them on shop.jakeofall.com. Excuse me. Jake, edit that out. If he didn't edit it out, the rest of you get to enjoy. I need you to help us out, okay? Because we're going to help Pete out because he helped us out. So we're going to help the person that helped us that helps us, right? Pretty simple.
The opposite of biting the hand that feeds you.
Yes, we're not going to bite the hand. We're going to lick the hand.
No,
we're not going to lick
weird
the
in
hand.
public.
We're not licking anything. We're adults. There is a can of olives behind the camera that I am jonesing
The
over.
black olives
Black
right
olives,
here?
yes.
They're
But
pretty awesome.
she's bribing me to finish this video.
Yeah,
so what
hustle.
we need you to do
I'm going to start
is
drinking the
you're going to
juice
win.
in front of you.
Right, exactly. What?
Yeah.
You're going to win the pack out. You're going to win the latches, one person. But this is on Instagram. This is also on TikTok. But there's a link in the description of this video. In this video, all we want you to do is subscribe and share it with your friends and make a little comment below that says, I want to use this on my Dodge Ram because it constantly has a valve tick.
No, it has sticky lifters.
Sticky lifters. Whatever you want to name why their engines suck. Come at me in the comments. I hate Dodge. Just, whatever. Sorry about that
I'm
rant.
having some very big feelings. Are you
I
hungry?
do. I am hangry. I made some really good. You know what? That's not the point. Hit the comments. Let us know what you're going to use it on. And then, if you're going to enter the giveaway, please add at the end, entered. And follow the link in the description. Jen's going to set up a form. It's going to ask you what to do. And you're going to get more chances. Like, are you on Instagram? Put your Instagram name on it. Are you on YouTube? Boom. 2 chances to enter and win this awesome prize pack. So thank you, Pete. Thanks all of you. And I would love for you to hit the comments below, except for about my Dodge comment. I love Dodge. There's nothing wrong with those pieces of junk.
You leave Mopar
See ya.
alone.
Bye. It's no car, because it's a Mopar.
Oh, Lord.